Hello, welcome to day, I don't know what number day this is, whatever, 4?
It's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
We're up very early today because we have a 9 a.m. tour in Florence. I did my outfit of the day. The sun is starting to come up. We were up before the sun. We're heading over to the guest house to make sure Susan's moving. It's just so pretty, like look at this. So pretty. This lighting is bomb.com right here. Hello. We are trying to be nosy and see what the gardener looks like. He's out there. Because someone said he's hot, but we can't see that far.
We're not close enough.
We're not close enough. Are you hot? Tell me.
Are you hot?
Look how orange you are. The sun is so orange. I feel like all the camera is picking up is our dirty windows. There's hot air balloons out in the air today. It's so cute. It was tight there, but we made it to our tour just like a minute late, but we're good. Now we're going to go see the Statue of David.
Just the face. From the Passion of Jesus, and the top one, you see this terrace with figures that are peeking out, and they are the 24 elders of the Apocalypse. Beautifully foreshortened, and they are mentioned in the
of this dome. Doing a lap. Look at the mountains. There's the city. There's Austin.
Yeah. I always think about that.
Sorry.
Where the grave.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Let's keep going. Excuse me? The soccer stadium? Oh yeah, yeah.
The hill is in use. It's a private shop. The owner is Russian.
How far from 100?
Oh,
The mansion is Russia.
this angle's beautiful.
See, that's where we were yesterday. See that like little overlook right there?
Yeah, yeah, I see it.
Firmly planned it. Otherwise, I am getting. Okay.
Here is where we're having lunch. It's like right around the corner from the Duomo. They have vegan cheese. The V's on here stand for vegetarian. Let me see if I can find it. That stands for vegetarian, but they do have vegan cheese. So you can always add that. But I think I'm just gonna get like the marinara. So my legs and my butt muscles are shaking after climbing the dome. What did she say? Was it Bruscinelli or something? The guy that made the dome. What's the dome called? Bruscinelli? Something like that. I know I'm probably butchering that, but it was cool. seeing the painting. Of course, we're little freaks, so we loved all the like the hill scenes. I'm finding out that my sunglasses leave a little mark on my nose, which is just lovely, but you know, they're cute, so what are you gonna do? They're so quirky and lovely. We are at a pizza place just outside of the little Duomo Square or Piazza or whatever, and they have vegan cheese, but we just didn't even bother. We just got the marinara pizza anyway, and some beans as a side, because I feel like I'm severely lacking protein on this trip. I did buy protein powder. I'm probably gonna have a shake tonight, because I feel like I just need an infusion, especially after that massive butt cheek workout, going up all those stairs. I think it's over 400 stairs, right?
467.
Yeah, it's a lot. And like it's tight in there too. But you get to the top and you get like this amazing overlook of the entire city. It was so cool. So I took some clips of that. And yeah, I'm starting for pizza. Me and Austin are gonna share a pizza, which is good by me, because we do have the rehearsal dinner tonight. We're not required to be there as part of the rehearsal because we're not like any part of the wedding, but since it's such a small group at the villa, we're all having dinner, which is nice. It'll be lovely. We haven't had a big group dinner since the first day we got here, so it'll be nice. The guy brought a Aperol Spritz over to the table. It was just the wrong table, and I was like, sounds good, but we are gonna probably drink the dinner tonight, so. But you know, it's fine. Do that. Have some wine tonight. Any thoughts, my love?
Tired.
Austin's become my official cardigan carrier. I got so sweaty climbing those stairs. You look zonked out, my love.
Tired.
Yeah.
I don't feel hungry, but I feel like I need to eat something.
I need to eat something, yeah. I feel like we just burnt 10 million calories. We are on a tight timeline here because we need to get over to the next thing by 1:15. Our time bracket is 1 to 1:15 to get into it. I don't know why they do it that way. I'm sure it's a little flexible, but we gotta eat and we gotta move our meat. I think it's not that far away though. Oh, a cute little placemat. Adorable. So here are our white beans. They look delicious. I love a bean. Love them. We're having the pizza. It's pretty darn good. Nice crispy. We had beans too. They were amazing. We need more water though.
We need more water.
How was yours?
It's delicious. It's so good.
Austin's. So the pigeons are humping. Where?
Italian pigeons, italicized, fornicated.
I don't think I'm gonna catch them.
Just
Oh no.
You might have
They heard us.
right behind you.
We are at
really
the Palazzo Pitti. This is the courtyard. We're heading towards the gardens.
Those doors right there.
We're in the gardens now, looking at this obelisk that was surely stolen from Egypt or something. A giant bathtub thing. And this big, beautiful lawn. So nice. This is the Fountain of Neptune. And there's fish and ducks. So cute.
A lot further.
The view here is insane. We're exiting the gardens because, well, to be fair, we are all verticaled out. It was a lot of uphill. So we're gonna go into the museum, walk around, but it's nice and cool.
They have to like go.
Delicious Diva, hello. Hey, little shorty, let me whisper in your ear. Hard relate. Me and the coven, heading to Magic Mike. We couldn't film in most of the museums we've looked in, but I took a couple of clips of things, but we're all kind of beat. So we're gonna go get some gelato or desserts or something. We passed earlier on our way here what looked to be like some sort of bakery with vegan goods. So I think we're gonna check that out. It had gelato too. So we got some gelato. I got passion fruit and then the fondant, the dark chocolate. So good. This is the place we went to. They are raw, vegan, gluten-free, organic, and plastic-free. Definitely recommend.
They had sweets in there too, and they looked really good. This is the big famous bridge with like the buildings on it, and I gotta tell you, it's annoying. It's really annoying. There's 10 million people here, and they just stop walking in front of you like all the time. The views are beautiful though, they really are. We're back at the square. I think we might get some bevies somewhere. Drinks are here. Got my spritz. She's got her frozen fruity thing. It'd be like you in a cold room, frozen and fruity. They brought some olives and chips, and I don't know what those are, but I'm assuming we can't eat them because they look like, oh, they're peanuts.
But there's something over top of them.
Yeah, there's some kind of coating on them.
Yeah.
Also got an espresso. It looks like you got a chocolate too, which you probably also can't eat.
What?
And it's just a beautiful day.
We're heading back to the car now. We have the rehearsal dinner tonight. I'm a little buzzing. Woo. But I think we should be fine. We've got like a 45-minute drive back, and there's like golf carts giving tours. And I'm gonna pee in the hotel before we leave. And then it'll be time to get ready for dinner. I really should shower, but I'm like so tired I don't feel like it. We'll see. I probably should. At least wash my body. My hair stinks. I need to wash and re-straighten my hair. I think that's a tonight or tomorrow activity. We'll see. Yeah. Heading home to the villa. Okay, I have taken a little hot bath. And I'm now trying to find a place to put this camera while I get ready. I'm gonna probably do the hair in the bun. I've got peach dress on. It is rehearsal dinner. And I'm exhausted. It's been a long few days. A very long few days.
20 minutes.
20 minutes, I have 20 minutes. We got home with like 34 minutes to get ready, so I'm not doing bad. Just gonna get this hair somehow up somehow. Finish my skincare because I did wash my face. I'm just looking for a hair tie.
What's wrong?
I'm looking for a hair tie. I know there's one in here.
You're gonna pull it out.
Got it, okay. And then put on a little bit of makeup, not a ton. Tomorrow, we are staying here all day because it is wedding day. I'm going to wash the hair, re-straighten it, shave, get all good and ready, and relax because we've been going nonstop. And those sunglasses, my new sunglasses, give me like a dent on my nose. That's weird. I need shoes, but I've got a face. And we're about to go down to dinner. Let's go. We're eating outside today. It's so cute. No, you said from a distance.
Are we toasting? Okay. Cheers. Cheers, everyone.
Yeah. There's berry pizza for dessert. I am too full to eat it.
But I'm not able to eat it.
But to be fair, I'm more of a savory gal than a sweet.
This was savory.
Austin liked it. I am a savory gal. I'm a savory gal.
Luckily, Austin is in his sweet girl era. It's fine.
Work.
Are you eyeing him full? She's gonna push this.
Should we start talking in country accents?
No! You know what? Maybe we should.
Maybe we should talk in our country accents.
Present to John.
It was the first time we met you, wasn't it?
This bless his heart.
Well, I'll be.
Hey, that's your southern accent.
Come on, Amanda.
Huh?
Come here.
That's your southern accent.
Dinner was so yummy. I'm stuffed. I feel like a food baby. We got the bath going because it's just relaxing. I'm gonna wash my face, take off all this makeup, and I'm gonna do like an actual washing of this nasty hair tomorrow for the wedding. I'm gonna wear my Zimmerman tomorrow for the wedding. I'm so full.